In this video, I'll show you how to link a bank in your Payoneer account and complete bank account verification. First, open the official Payoneer website or mobile app and log in to your account. Make sure you are using the real Payoneer platform because you will be entering sensitive banking information. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Settings and look for Bank Accounts, Banks and Cards, or Withdrawal Bank Accounts. The exact name may be slightly different depending on your country and account layout. Next, choose Add Bank Account. Payoneer may ask whether the bank account is for withdrawal, receiving payments, or business use. Select the option that matches what you need. Now enter your bank account details. This may include the account holder name, country, account number, routing number, IBAN, sort code, SWIFT code, or other local banking information. Make sure every detail is correct before continuing. In most cases, the bank account holder name should match the name on your Payoneer account. If you are using a business Payoneer account, the bank account may need to match your registered business name. If the names do not match, verification may be delayed or rejected. After entering the details, review everything carefully. Check the spelling of your bank name, account number, and any routing or international banking codes. A small mistake can cause failed withdrawals or verification problems. Then submit the bank account for review. Payoneer may ask you to complete a security step, such as entering a verification code, answering a security question, or confirming the action by email. After submitting, Payoneer may verify the bank account automatically, or they may ask for a document. If a document is required, go to the verification center. You may need to upload a bank statement, bank letter, voided check, or another official document that proves the account belongs to you. When uploading a bank document, make sure it clearly shows your full name, account number, or partial account number, and recent date if required. The document should be clear, readable, and not edited. Once uploaded, Payoneer will review the information. The status may show as pending during this process. Check your email and Payoneer dashboard regularly in case they request more details or ask you to upload a clearer document. When the bank account is approved, it should appear as verified or active in your Payoneer account. You can then use it for supported withdrawals or account services, depending on what Payoneer allows in your country. That's how to link a bank in Payoneer and complete bank account verification safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.